Now, welcome to one more session of Maths for Standard 8, Chapter number 1, Exercise 1.2, Question number 5. Find 5 rational numbers between, the first one is between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Now, my friends, if you want to insert any number between the given two rational numbers, this points to be considered in mind. First of all, consider the LCM of their denominator. Look at the denominator of this is 3 and this number is 5. And by multiplying them with the suitable number, bring them to have common denominator, means same denominator. So multiply both the number by the suitable number. So what is the LCM of 3 and 5? It is 15. So you have to multiply this fraction by 5 upon 5. Okay, you want to multiply the denominator 3 by 5, you also have to multiply the numerator by 5. Okay, and it is 2 5s are 10 and 3 5s are 15. Okay, 2 5s are 10 and 3 5s are 15. Now 4 upon 5 will be multiplied by 3 upon 3 because we want 15 as a denominator. So 5 should be multiplied by 3. So numerator also to be multiplied by 3. Now 4 3s are 12 and 5 3s are 15. Now we come to, now we brought both the rational numbers to have common denominator. But my friend, now the number to be inserted between them is n. How many numbers to be inserted? Find 5 rational numbers. So we want to insert 5 numbers between these two numbers. Okay. Now the difference between their numerator should be greater than or equal to n plus 1. Means the difference between their numerator, look at the numerator. Difference between their numerator should be greater than or equal to n plus 1. N is equal to 5 here. So n plus 1 is equal to 6. So the difference between the numerator should be, or rather must be, greater than or equal to 6. कम से कम दोनों के बीच 6 का डिफरेंस होना चाहिए, 6 या 6 से ज़्यादा. So our target is to have a difference of 6 between them. Now what is the difference between them? It's a 12 minus 10 is equal to 2. Now we want to have a difference of 6. So we will multiply them by 3 so that we can get the difference of 3. Okay, so we have to multiply them by 3 upon 3. Also here 3 upon 3. So 10 3s are 30, 5 3s are 15 3s are 45. Here 12 3s are 36, 15 3s are 45. Now they have the difference. Now look at it. 36 minus 30 is 6. Now their difference between their numerator is 6. Okay. They have common denominator as well as the difference between their numerator should be 6 because we want to insert 5 numbers. And to insert 5 numbers, the difference between their numerator should be at least of 6 unit. Now the rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5 are, okay, start writing. 31 upon 45, 32 upon 45, 33 upon 45, 34 upon 45 or 35 upon 45. So these are the 5 rational numbers lie between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Okay, very good. Now second one of question number 5, we have to find 5 rational numbers between minus 3 by 2 and 5 upon 3. Okay, so consider LCM of their denominators. 2 and 3 are their denominator and their LCM is 6. So we have to multiply this number minus 3 by 2 into 3 upon 3 because we want 6 as a denominator. Okay, so that is minus 9 upon 2 3s are 6. Now to the second number, it's a 5 upon 3. We have to multiply this number by 2 upon 2, that is 5 2s are 10 and 3 2s are 6. Now minus, think the number to be inserted between them is n. So n is equal to 5 here. How many numbers do we wanted to insert here? 5 rational numbers. So difference between numerator should be more than 1 more than that. It's a n plus 1 is equal to 6. Okay, so the difference between their numerator must be greater than or equal to 6. 6 या 6 से ज़्यादा का डिफरेंस होना चाहिए, कम से कम 6 का. ओके, नाउ द डिफरेंस minus 9 and 10. 10 minus 9, a huge difference. You can insert more than 5 numbers, so no need to multiply here. Now rational numbers between minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3 are minus 8 upon 6, minus 7 upon 6, minus 6 upon 6, minus 5 upon 6, minus 4 upon 6, minus 3 upon 6, minus 2 upon 6, minus 1 upon 6. It's a 0, means 0 upon 6. So 1 upon 6, 2 upon 6, 3 upon 6, 4 upon 6, 5 upon 6, 6 upon 6, 7 upon 6, 8 upon 6 and 9 upon 6. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So now we are able to write 18 numbers and we have to write just 5 numbers. So you can consider any 5. You can consider any 5 of this. Okay, you can consider any 5 of this. You can write the answer like this, huh? Okay, very good. Now the third Roman, find 5 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Now keeping in mind the LCM of both 4 and 2. So the LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. So 1 by 4 will not be multiplied, or it will multiply by 1 upon 1, that is 1 upon 4. Okay. Now the second one 1 by 2 into. So 2 will be multiplied by 2 to get 4 as a denominator. So 1 by 2 will be multiplied by 2 upon 2. It will be 2 by 4. Now we bring them to the common denominator, 1 by 4 and 2 by 4. But my friend, see the difference between their numerator, 2 minus 1 is only 1, and we want the difference between them two is equal to 6. So 1 is multiplied by 6. Okay, 1 is to be multiplied by 6 to create a difference of 6 between their numerator. Okay, so we have to multiply them by 6 upon 6. Okay, so 6 ones are 6 upon 4 6 are 24. Here it is 2 6 are 12 divided by 4 6 are 24. Now you can see that the difference between their numerator is 6. Now 5 rational numbers, 5 rational numbers between them is between 1 by 2 and 1 by 4 are 7 upon 24, 8 upon 24, 9 upon 24, 10 upon 24 and 11 upon 24. So these are the 5 rational numbers lie between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Okay. Now question number 6. Write 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. Now my friends, in earlier in this exercise also, in the question number 3, we have written 5 rational numbers smaller than 2. Here we have to write 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. Okay, so to the minus 2, that can be, so you can write the 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2 are, you can write it, see, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, these are the integers, and integers are rational numbers. So you can write this list. But my friend, if you want to write pure fractional numbers, so it can be minus 1 whole 1 by 2, it can be minus 3 by 2. Okay, now it can be minus 3 by 4, minus 3 upon 4, smaller than minus 1, greater than minus 1. Okay, it can be 0, then positive number we are going to write, it's 1 by 3, 1 upon 3, then any number, it's 5 upon 4. Okay, now you can write like this. These are the numbers, all positive numbers are greater than minus 2. So you can write the 5 rational numbers, anyone you like. Okay, very good. Now last question of this chapter, also of this exercise and also of this chapter, question number 6 of exercise 1.2. Find 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. So we have solved so many questions of this type. Okay, so keeping the points that have been written by me here in this part in the earlier question number 5. So keeping these points in mind, you have to solve this. Okay, so solve it by yourself. Okay, and send me photographs on WhatsApp account. Okay, on my WhatsApp account, send the photograph after solving it. Take a snap photo of it and send it, not in group account, in my personal account you can send it. Okay, so find 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. Okay, very good.